RoadsterSport for Helmholtz exhaust, and we just wanted to share a little bit of the noise with you and show you how much fun it is without any of the drone because of the new Helmholtz chamber. We've put a Helmholtz in every single exhaust system now, from NA, NB, NC, and even ND, and every generation is covered. So with this latest system, it allows you to have a lot more fun cruising around because it gets rid of that drone that the RoadsterSport 3 was sometimes prone to, especially with a higher flowing mid-pipe. Ryan here had a RoadsterSport 3 system on his NB for many years, and he could probably best tell us what a difference this is cruising around.
Yeah, that car, I loved the exhaust when you were on throttle. It had all the same fun character that this new version has, but when you were just cruising on the freeway or going up a hill and you got stuck at that certain RPM where it droned, man, it was just a little annoying. It would sort of reverberate in the cabin. This just has none of that. You've got the character when you want it right now, but as soon as you let off the gas, there's just no drone. Usually it would get into that walk sort of zone as you get down around here about 3,000 RPMs, and there's just none of that right now. So this is basically the new and improved version of what we already had. It's kind of like Greatest Hits Part 2.
Yeah, and the best part is the Helmholtz chamber is located in the muffler, so if you already have one of our existing RoadsterSport mid-pipes and you just want to upgrade your muffler, you totally can do that, sell your muffler used, and pick up one of the new RoadsterSport 4s. Everything's available at goodwinracing.com.